Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Sam and today I will be making a flower garden on paper using toilet paper rolls or tissue rolls. What you will need is a sheet of paper, toilet paper or tissue rolls, some paints and a paintbrush, water, a scissors, palette sticks or pipe cleaners, glue or any little gems or buttons you can find at home. So let's begin. Our first step is to get our toilet paper or tissue rolls and cut them in little pieces. Please let your parents help you cut it. Safety is important. Once you have finished cutting with the aid of your parents' help, it should look like this in little rings. Once you have finished cut your rings, now it's time to paint. Your flowers can have as much rings as you like. I'm using 5 rings to make up the petals and 2 rings to make the leaves. So I'm gonna paint my petals in red and my leaves in green. You can use water paints or acrylic paints. Anything will work, it doesn't matter. Once you have finished painting your rings, leave them, let them dry. Now remember, it's a flower garden, so you could add as much flowers as you like, even butterflies, depending the size of the paper that you're using to stick them on. I did some orange, so I'm going to create an orange flower, and I also did some blue, and I'm going to show you how to create a butterfly using these rings as well. Now it's time to take your rings and assemble them on the sheet of paper to create your image. So take your rings and assemble them to create the flowers or butterflies before you stick them down. Once you have finished assembling your flowers and even your butterfly, get ready to stick them down. That's okay if the rings overlap out of the paper, it's part of the design. Once you have finished, stick down your rings and created your flowers and even your butterfly. Now use your palette sticks as the stem of the flower. Stick down the palette sticks and use the green rings as the leaves. So go ahead and stick it down. Once you have finished sticking your stem and flowers in place, now take your buttons and your gems and use this to create the center of the flower. The pipe cleaners is the body of the butterfly. So let's go ahead and create a butterfly and add in the center of our flowers. It should look like this. So I added my center of the flowers and I also added the body of the butterfly. So I used 1 pipe cleaner and I cut it into 2 smaller pieces to create the body of the butterfly. So your final product should look like this. You can even go ahead and add a positive quote at the top or even an affirmation. Butterflies and flowers signify growth and transformation. So I'm gonna go ahead and write a quote. I added, "Where flowers bloom, so does hope." We know at this time, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, there's so many uncertainty taking place. But I want to remind you that this too shall pass. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and be kind to your mind. Take care of yourselves and do not fear. You are not alone. We are here for you. So hope you enjoy this art. Do try it and stay safe.